So I got on this morning, woke up, I saw on the map there is some band openings on VHF 2 meters. So I decided to fire up a little bit of FT8 with my 705 at 10 watts with a carbon fiber mast and tripod out back about 30 feet with a 5-element log periodic Yagi. I was using a 2 meter horizontal loop and made 3 contacts. K4JMX up in Jacksonville, W4BLD up north, and WF2Z, which is only about 25 miles north of me. But, you know, the question I have is, and that's 10 watts, by the way. The question I have is, how many people in Florida watching have 2 meters sideband capability? I really want to schedule something where all of us get on at the same time, all of us face Yagis at each other, and see what we can do. Because I know for a fact you won't find anybody on here until there's an opening and people turn their radios on. And this site is flaking out here, this PSK reporter. So it won't give me any more spots here. Oh, there it goes. So you can see that there's a bunch of stations that are on that are receiving 2 meter sideband, 2 meter FT8 from up here in the Carolinas, you know, up there in New England. Look at this. 2 meter activity is there. And that's probably because there's an opening. Ta-da! So I want to know how many people are actually on 2 meter single sideband. And let's get something scheduled to where we could see, is it the people, or is it the ham's fault, or is it the band's fault? That's what I want to know. If I can get all these people here, and a lot of them are, you know, I'll be received on the PSK reporter, and it'll show KJ4YZ, but nobody comes back to me. So are we watching? Are we just beaconing to see? I don't know. But 2 meter sideband is a weak signal mode. It's very fun when it opens. I want to see how many people, if you're in Florida and you're any part of Florida or Georgia or Alabama or South Carolina, because you know I usually can get up into there with the big beam on sideband. So if you're in that area, let me know, and let's get something scheduled, all of us, one day at one time, and we'll all get on. Hopefully when there's a good band opening like this, and we'll see. Maybe we could all just exchange with each other. I mean, that would be pretty cool. 7-3.